In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom out on a timeline in DaVinci Resolve. If you're editing and your timeline feels too zoomed in, it can be hard to see the bigger picture of your project. Zooming out helps you view more of your clips at once, which makes it easier to navigate, arrange edits, and understand the overall structure of your sequence. The good news is that this is very quick to do. Start by going to your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. Make sure your cursor is positioned over the timeline area, because that's where this shortcut works. If you're in another panel or section of the interface, just click directly on the timeline first so DaVinci Resolve knows that's the area you want to control. Once you're there, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard. While holding Alt, scroll down with your mouse wheel. As you do that, your timeline will zoom out, letting you see more of your edit on the screen. That's all there is to it. This is especially useful when you're working on longer projects and want a faster way to move around without dragging the scroll bar manually. It can also help when you want to quickly check the spacing between clips, spot gaps in the timeline, or get a better visual sense of how your edit is laid out. If the zoom doesn't seem to change at first, make sure your mouse is actually hovering over the timeline and not over the media pool, viewer, or another panel. That small detail makes a big difference because the scroll action only affects the section your cursor is currently over. A helpful tip is to use this motion gradually. Scroll a little at a time so you can stop at the exact zoom level you need. If you zoom out too far, you may find that clips become harder to distinguish visually, so it's best to adjust until you have a comfortable balance between detail and overview. So again, to zoom out on a timeline in DaVinci Resolve, go to your timeline, hold Alt, and scroll down. It's a simple shortcut, but it can save you time and make editing feel much smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.